In this video, we'll discuss how to print PDF files using Python. What's up, guys? Welcome to this tutorial on how to print PDF files using Python in IronPDF. We will guide you through this process, printing a PDF document directly from your Python script. First, ensure that you have IronPDF installed, as I do. We'll dive into the main.py file and import the dependencies and set up your IronPDF license key. Next, we're going to load the PDF document we want to print, and we'll use the from file method to load the PDF file named URL to pdf.pdf, and we'll load that into our script. To print the PDF, we'll use the print method. This method sends the document to our default printer and returns an object indicating whether the print job was completed successfully or not. Now let's see how to print specific pages from the PDF. We will get the printer settings using the get print document, specify the page range. So here we have the range between page 2 and page 4. And then we call the print method. So let's go ahead and run our scripts. And once executed, the PDF should be sent to our printer. All right, so we ran the code and we will check the output on the console. If result 1 has an object, it means that the entire PDF was printed successfully. Similarly, if result 2 has an object, then the specified pages 2 through 4 were printed successfully. And that's it. You successfully learned how to print PDF files using Python and IronPDF. So feel free to integrate this into your projects as you see fit. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give us a like and subscribe if you like what we're doing. And if you'd like to try out our trial subscription, there's a link down below. You can click on it. That'll take you to our website where you can download, install it, check out the power yourself.